Hi everyone, I'm Suzanne from the Family Centre Service in Broxbourne. Today I'm going to read you Supertato Veggies Assemble. You might have read Supertato before, so are you ready? It's by Sue Hendra and Paul Linnett. It's very good. Right, are you ready? Let's have a look. I like a superhero story. Right. It was night time in the supermarket and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Look, who is this? Can you see the fish fingers? But who's this climbing up the freezer? Someone was looking for trouble. Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. Do you know who this is? This is Evil P. You may already know, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad, and the baddest of them all is Evil P. Wakey, wakey, he called. Can you see him? Look what he's doing. He's climbing over the freezer. Let's have a look. 1p is bad enough, but there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, shouted Pepper. Can you see? Look. All the peas have got out of the bag with Evil P and they're taking over the supermarket. Oh, look, all the peppers and the carrots are running. Oh, dearie me. Save me, stuttered Pear. Oh, look. All the tins, and look who's right at the top. It's Pear. And all the peas down the bottom trying to get him. Save me, begged Melon. So there's Melon, look. Can you see all the peas? They're going to jump up and they're going to fling Melon in the air. Oh, look what they've done to Carrot. Save me, cried Carrot. They've rolled him up in a toilet roll. I bet he's feeling very dizzy. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time's running out. Look, can you see? Lolly's melting because they've switched the freezers off. Was there anyone who could save them? Do we know anyone who could save them? Let's have a look. Supertato to the rescue. Look, there he is. He's got shiny teeth. And look at his eyes, and he's got his cape, and he's got a big letter S on the front for Supertato. Oh, can you see all the vegetables? They all look very happy, don't they? But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. Look! Can you see what they're doing to Supertato? They're spinning him around and around and around. I'm sure he's going to feel very dizzy. What's going on? Said Aubergine. We're doomed, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Look, what are they doing to Supertato? What are we going to do? Oh, can you see Pepper? Look, down the bottom. Pepper's crying. Supertato was thrown off the conveyor belt and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Can you see? Was this the end for Supertato? I'm going to need some backup if I can just call the... Can you see? He's shouting. Let's see who he's shouting for. Super Veggies to the rescue. Can you see his friends? Look. We've got a pumpkin, and this is we've got corn, and this is a marrow, And this, I think, is a sweet potato. Let's have a look. Let's see what they can do. They use their ninja know-how. Hi-ya! Said Corn. Look, can you see him using his ninja know-how? He's putting all the peas back in a pot. They use their massive muscles. Can you show me your muscles? Look, there he is. Look, he's putting all the peas back into a big pile. And then they use some fancy footwork. So he's going to get the carrot out the toilet roll. Look, can you see him catching the peas in a big net? And then they used a box with a door on it. And look what it says. They're being very cheeky. It says pea party. But look, what they see what they're doing? They're leading them all in there thinking it's a party, but it's not. They're catching them. Wow, they're clever, aren't they? Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert, said Supertato. And now for the freezers. Click! It says off, and he's clicked it all the way back onto on. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Who ordered the vegetables? Screeched the evil pea. You think you've beaten me, but I'm going to... You're going to what? Said Supertato. Can you see him? Look what he's done. Now that was very clever. He's trapped evil pea under a glass on a bit of paper, so he can't get out. 3 cheers for Supertato. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. Oh, I couldn't have done it without you, you super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable, I'm a fruit, said the tomato. And everybody laughed and cheered. Yay! So, with the peas back in their bags and the freezer locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful, said Lolly to the other. We're all back to normal. But look, can you see? They're still a bit melted, but they're okay. They're all safe. But what you've got to remember is to keep the peas frozen, because we don't want evil pea escaping again, do we now? So make sure those peas are in the freezer. And have a look for Supertato. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, boys and girls. Maybe we'll read the other one next time. Okay, bye for now.